KontrolFreek just sent me their Aim Boost Kit, and obviously it's not in the box anymore because I just installed it on my PS5 controller. And this thing is wild. It's really, really cool. Now, what I love the most is look at that difference in height. Now, you can have it on either or, so this one could be on this one here and vice versa. But I do like that aiming assist. And by aiming assist, I'm just literally saying that it's far easier to grip because of those nice little grips. And I love the fact that my right hand is able to do this kind of quick capture of the of that cursor, of that toggle. So it's really, really nice. Check out the dimples on that controller. So it's super wild, and you can actually see how high and raised it is. But yeah, the way you actually control this and the movement is still extremely fluid, which I love. They even give you these little extra rings to kind of like dampen the effect or accentuate the effect with these little rings. I'm not using them at all. It is literally right out of the box. And honestly, I'm not slipping anymore. It feels very, very natural. And it looks super cool as well. So yeah, the Aim Boost Kit definitely is a winner in my book. And KontrolFreek did it again.